The American Dental Association recommends brushing for 2 minutes twice a day to remove plaque effectively and maintain healthy gums. Most Oral-B electric toothbrushes come with a built-in 2-minute timer to help you stay on track without watching the clock. Once you turn the brush on, the timer automatically begins counting down. Many models also include a quadrant pacer system. This gently pulses every 30 seconds, reminding you to move to a different section of your mouth. By dividing your mouth into 4 areas and brushing each for 30 seconds, you ensure even, thorough cleaning. Basic models simply alert you when the full 2 minutes are complete. Mid-range versions add 3-0 second interval signals through vibrations or lights. Premium and IO models go further with pressure sensors, visual displays, and even app integration, allowing you to customize brushing time from 1 to 3 minutes and adjust alert styles. Some advanced models let you change timer settings directly from the handle menu, while others use the companion app for deeper personalization. Using both the timer and pressure feedback together ensures you're brushing long enough and not pressing too hard, which protects enamel and gums while maximizing plaque removal.